Drive-thru coronavirus testing centers are popping up around the world. Upon reaching the drive-thru center, one only needs to follow a quick two-step process to give the sample. Step 1, keep the windows up until reaching the testing spot, then show the required documents such as medical insurance, photo ID and doctor's report in hand. Step 2, let the lab technician ask for the window to be rolled down for the collection of the sample. A swab is used to collect the sample from the back of the throat. The lab technician will put the swab into a sterile container and send it to the lab for testing. Now, the United Arab Emirates is one of the countries that has begun drive-thru testing centers. Abu Dhabi got its first, followed by Dubai a couple of days ago. Abu Dhabi's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Zayed too queued up to get his nose swabbed for the test. UAE is planning to start centers in all 7 Emirates. This model of mobile clinics was first initiated in South Korea. The idea quickly spread to Europe and the United States. The method is now recommended by the World Health Organization. It reduces the pressure on hospitals and decreases the risk of contagion as patients remain in the car. In Europe, Portugal implemented the model even before the worst affected nations, Spain and Italy. In France, Paris has one of the drive-thru testing facilities that's helping citizens with no symptoms a way to get tested without having to go to a hospital. The German city of Dresden has even started testing nursing staff and other healthcare personnel using a drive-thru center on the outskirts of the city. Meanwhile, in the United States, a country long accustomed to drive-thrus, only some states have set up drive-thru centers. On the other side of the border, Mexico too has started a drive-thru clinic which was thronged by anxious people waiting to get tested. Meanwhile, in India, the country's first drive-thru center was started in the national capital. The testing center can carry out tests for as many as 40 people in a day. India's second drive-thru center was also started in the national capital region, this time in Gurugram. Similar drive-thru clinics have also been opened in the financial capital of Mumbai and its neighboring city, Thane. If South Korea's effectiveness is to be replicated around the world and flattening the curve, then this drive-thru testing method must be used widely, boosting testing rates and early detection.